Hello everybody. Uh, Once again, welcome this new session. And in this session, we are going to talk about uh, the older interface of the QBasic, that is 4.5 version, which is not supported by the latest OS, like maybe the Windows or maybe any other. So, how to run that if it is not supported? For that, we need a virtual box, and we have to download that. Its name is go to Google and click here, download DOSBox emulator. Just download from here, install it. After installation, what we have to do there? Nothing more. Here I have already installed. So go to C drive. Here is program files. Here is DOSBox. So let's go here. Let's create a shortcut. Right click. Send to desktop. So here is our shortcut of DOSBox. After that, nothing more we have to do there. Here is a QBasic older version file. If we open this QBasic without DOSBox, then it will display the message like this. So cannot run on your PC. So what we have to do there? Let's drag it to the DOSBox. Wait for a while. So press Alt Enter. Here we can see QBasic. Now Windows is running. Let's write one code here. You can see here all the keywords they are in capital letter, but in previous video I showed you that in QB64 first letter is only in a capital letter, whereas all of the characters they are in small letter. Let's run it. So here is our hello world. If we want to save it, we can also save it. File. It is not displaying all the complete menu, so let's go to option full menus. Now file, save as. Let's give a name p-1.1. Okay, so we can see here it has been saved p-1.1. So it's very simple to run the program using emulator, that is DOSBox, if our OS is not supporting. And if we are not using the latest version of QBasic, that is QB64. So we have two choices, and that is first, either we have to go for QB for 4.5 version, and next choice is to go for the latest version, that is QB64. If we use QB64, then the emulator is not needed. If we don't go for that, then emulator is needed there. Just exiting now. So it's very simple there to run the program which is not supported by the latest OS running in 64-bit. I hope you understood about this one. If you have any confusion, just put it in the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.